Hey everybody, Jillian here for Illustrated Faith, and I've got a brand new process video using the Word Nerd Devotional Kit. So for my word today, I am looking at the word word. I thought it would be fun to use one of the cards that's included with the kit as a jumping off point. And one thing that I love about these is that if you're unsure of which focus verse to use for your word, you've got one right here in the top corner of every card included with the kit, which I think is so fun and helpful. The focus verse that I chose to use for today is in James chapter 1, and James is all but full in my Bible. I think I have maybe one page left in there. So I decided to, just like last time I think, look to one of the cross references that I looked at and go ahead and journal there. So I landed then in Deuteronomy 30, where I have plenty of room. So that's where I'm going to be journaling today. And I've got just a tray full of supplies that coordinate with the Word Nerd kit. Now, you certainly don't need a tray full of supplies to do a word study and to document it in the margins of your Bible. If you want some of those nice to have type supplies, I like keeping them all in one spot so that I can easily pull from them. And so what I think I'm going to use today are these really fun glasses from the Print and Pray shop that Elaine designed, the Word Nerd glasses, the tan sticker sheet, probably some of these vellum crosses, and then for sure the stamp set. That's as far as I've thought ahead, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I knew that I wanted to use a bunch of glasses, like not just one or two pairs, but like 5 or 6 pairs on this Bible journaling page. I have a color scheme in mind already, and it's pinks and golds and a little bit of purple. So I really want to stick to those colors when I'm choosing which glasses that I want to use and figuring out which colors look best next to each other. So I love the size of this blue one, but blue isn't one of the colors that I want to use today, so I'm going to go ahead and put that to the side and save it for later. So I'm figuring out where things are going to look best, and then I'll go ahead and start sticking the rest of things down on the rest of my page. Like, I know I want to use this sticker that says Word Nerd because the word I'm studying is word. So, and then I'm going to use this little pink composition book, which fits into my color scheme and is just so cute. I have most of these glasses printed on clear sticker paper, and then there were a few that I went ahead and put on white cardstock just so I could layer the glasses on top of each other. I think I have a total of 5 pairs on the page here. So I'm layering stamps and stickers and printables, and it's so fun. I love how graphic this kit is. I wanted to add a few more pairs of glasses, so I'm looking to the stamp set from the kit to add those with some StazOn Jet Black ink. Then I'm going to get then I'm going to get a tab up at the top from the tan sticker sheet and use some really fun measuring tape washi from Doodlebug and put that down in a couple places on the page. Then I'm going to go in with some vellum hearts, and here you can see are the colors that I wanted to stick to. So these are Faber Castell brush pens, and I use them in a variety of ways for today's page. The first is to use this gold-green color to highlight the text, and then another way I like to use them is as ink for stamping. So I really love this purpley magenta color and decided to color the stamp, Proud to be a Bible Nerd, with that color. I tested it out to make sure that it would work on a scrap piece of paper and before putting it down on my Bible page. Then I'm just using stamps from the kit. Because I'm journaling in Deuteronomy 30, I want to point back to my focus verse that's in James 1, and so I used that stamp to do so. So here I'm going to use the brush pens to customize some of the vellum stickers. I wanted to see if the stickers would take the ink from these markers well, and they do. So in order to get some more of this purpley color up towards the top, I'm coloring a few of the vellum stickers to get that color up top. Switching back and forth between stickers and stamping and all sorts of things. I'm going to add a piece of word fetty to my tab up at the top. This is an older one and it just says word, and then I'm indicating here that that's where I want to put my journaling. So I have my journaling typed up on my typewriter on just a piece of graph paper that I have. And so I'm going to cut it down into a box so that it fits in the margin. And then I like to have a little more texture on my page, so I'm going to tear the edge off of the bottom to get that texture. I had to reposition the stickers a little bit in order to get this piece of graph paper down. But I love how everything is just kind of layered together. Then I'm going to go in with a couple more vellum stickers. I'm choosing to use them as an X today instead of a cross. And then I just wrote down at the bottom for my journaling, he is a promise keeper. I want to add some art marks to the page now that I'm nearly done, so I'm just swatching them on this scrap piece of paper to see which color is a better match, and then putting some spotty dots down on my page. The last thing that I'm going to do is go in with this really fun date stamp from Elaine Davis and get the date down on the bottom. Ta-da! So here is a finished look at my page. If you guys are interested in learning about the study behind the page, head on over to the Illustrated Faith blog to check that out. And you can also find the Word Nerd Kit there as well. illustratedfaith.com. We've got it linked down in the video description for you too. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.